Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to follow a gaming streamer and watch streams on Facebook. So it's super simple. Make sure you're on the home page, and then on the left hand side we're going to click on see more. Just go down, click on gaming video, and now we're brought to the live streaming page of Facebook. So now we click on browse live streams, and now we're brought to the live streams that are happening right now. But if you want to find someone specific, click on streamers and then search them up. So I want to search up Ninja, and Ninja Ba pops up, right? So I'm going to click on his page, see what he has, what kind of games he plays, recent videos, because all of them are pre-recorded and posted so you can watch previous streams. And now I'm going to click on get live notification, which is basically me following them, right? So now I have followed this individual, and I can go to under gaming, I can go to following, and he pops up. So now I have followed a streamer. I'll get notified whenever he starts streaming in the notification bar, and I'll be able to watch his streams. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.